Have you ever felt like society's rules and structures are just unchangeable facts of nature, rather than things created by people? It is an interesting thought, isn't it? We often encounter situations where abstract concepts or human relationships take on a life of their own, seemingly independent of our actions. For György Lukács, reification is absolutely central to his core theory, especially as laid out in his groundbreaking work, History and Class Consciousness. Simply put, reification means that human creations, like social relations, economic systems, or cultural products, come to be perceived as objective, natural, and independent things, separate from the human activity that produced them. It is the process by which social processes become mystified and appear as things rather than dynamic human relationships. The why behind reification, for Lukacs, is deeply rooted in the structure of capitalist society and its pervasive commodity form. When everything, including labor, becomes a commodity bought and sold on the market, human interactions are increasingly mediated by objective, quantifiable exchanges. This objectification extends beyond the economic sphere to all aspects of social life, including law, politics, and even individual consciousness. This turns subjective human qualities and activities into objective, alienable properties, making social structures appear fixed and unalterable. Understanding reification means learning to peel back the layers of apparent objectivity and to see the underlying human agency. You can start by questioning everyday phenomena. When you consider a job application, do you see a person's skills and potential, or primarily a set of quantifiable qualifications? When you evaluate a product, do you see the labor and social relations embedded within its creation, or just its price and utility? Recognizing reification involves a critical analysis of how our social world is structured and how human choices and struggles shape it. Lukacs argued that reification is not merely a cognitive error, but a fundamental characteristic of bourgeois society, preventing individuals from developing true class consciousness. He saw it as a more profound and totalizing concept than Marx's commodity fetishism, extending to the very thought forms and consciousness of both the proletariat and the bourgeoisie. The fragmentation and specialization of labor, for instance, contribute to reified consciousness by narrowing individuals' perspectives and making it difficult to grasp the totality of social processes. Lukacs believed that only through revolutionary praxis could this reified consciousness be overcome. Ultimately, grasping reification in Lukacs' theory provides a powerful lens through which to understand how capitalism distorts human perception and interaction. It reveals how social relations are obscured by an appearance of natural objectivity, hindering the development of collective, critical awareness. By understanding reification, we gain insight into the deeper challenges of achieving a liberated society, where human agency and creative activity are recognized as the true drivers of history, rather than being subjugated to seemingly external, reified forces.